What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. I've done several versions of this hairstyle before, and I decided to do a fresh new way, a fresh new look. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I did part my hair from ear to ear, and in the back section I did 4 jumbo braids. Right here I'm just going ahead and doing the side braids. These are the braids that I'm going to put the beads on. Okay, so before braiding the hair, I go ahead and I add some Red One Cobra Aqua Hair Wax, full force, maximum control, and then I just brush it in. That way I could get a smooth, sleek look. Just freestyling for this portion, so I did do some slanted braids. So I slanted some of the braids on each side, and I didn't want the part to be straight, so I kind of zigzagged them a little bit. So you're gonna see exactly how I did that. Moving on to the next side, so I'm going ahead and following the same steps. I'm gonna do the 2 parts, the 2 braids on the side, and these are going to have my beads. Of course, make sure you put your Red One edge control on the hair. I brush it in, and of course detangle each section before braiding. It just creates a smoother finish. Just like that, I'm done with the front. So I just connected the middle braids to the back braids, and I just created like one, and then I tucked it underneath. And then I'm going to add this half wig. I'm also going to link this hair down in my description if you're interested in purchasing it. and voila. So this is a very important portion, so I'm just going to crochet the hair into my hair. I'm not going to make any knots because I will be reusing this half wig, so I don't want to tie the loops. I'm just crocheting it into my hair and just leaving it out. So crocheting it into my hair and just leaving it out, and then I go ahead along the entire band of the wig. I crocheted it into my hair and I just brushed it out. Okay, y'all, we're almost done. Almost at the finale. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and laying my edges. I'm putting some really strong whole mousse. I'm gonna tie it down, and then I'm going to show you guys the big reveal. Drum roll, please. You guys, I am all done. This is the finished look. I love the balance between the braids and the curls without having to have my hair out, and I don't have to comb my hair for the next 2 weeks. This is an awesome protective style. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and let me know if you'd like to see how I maintain it.